This could be the car for you. The 2020 Acura RDX. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll be sleek, safe, and smooth in the RDX luxury crossover SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, navigation system, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. See for yourself how luxurious high performance can be. Drive the RDX today.